Today let me show you how to define and use the properties of a node. See definition of node properties here. This is the syntax to create properties for a node. Let's start with a basic example. Open code editor, go to src, nodes. Open basic.js, which is the file we are going to add the new code to. Create a new node called MyProperties. Define two properties, a name property with type of string and an age property with type of number. Define an output string, which will be updated based on the properties later. In the onExecute function, which is invoked when the node is triggered, the output string is updated based on the name property and the age property. Finally, register the function to LiteGraph under basic category with name of MyProperty. Now, switch to the editor. Add node, basic, MyProperty. Connect the output string, info, to a watch node, so you can see its value. Double-click the MyProperty node, which will display the property editor. Here, you can change the value of each property. Let's keep the current value. Close the property editor, run the graph. You can see the updated info. Change name to Jake. Age to 28. Observe the update info. You can use Save button to save the graph, including the value of the property, to clipboard. Now modify the name to Michael. Click the Load button to load back the graph. Click the Step button to run the graph once. You can see the name property is restored to Jake, which is what we saved to clipboard. You can also download the graph as a JSON file. Open it. To make it more readable, I formatted the file. Go to the end of the node definition. You can see the properties are also stored in the JSON file. Reload the page. Now it becomes empty. Drag the JSON file onto the graph canvas to load it. Let's continue. I will show you how to modify the node properties based on inputs. For that, let's update the code. Go to the editor. Add one name input with type string. Add one age input with type number. In the onExecute function, get the values from input ports and assign to the corresponding node properties. Reload the graph editor. Add node, basic, MyProperties. Now you see two input variables. Connect name to a string input. Connect age to a number input. You can now change the properties via inputs. Let's stop here. The code is available in the comment below. If this video is useful to you, please give your thumb up. Thank you.